Hi all, my name is Maxlinear. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Narshabad Engineering College in 2024 in Andhra Pradesh.
Hi everyone, my name is Vijay Basar. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduation at SVR Engineering College in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering in 2024.
Hello everyone, I am Satyananda Reddy from Andhra Pradesh, where I completed graduation in Geetham University in BTech from electronics background.
I am an online student. I recently got placed in Maxlinear Technologies. After a lot of research with my friends, my family, my lecturers, I joined in this course. Here they are providing the modules like Advanced C, Linux, microcontroller, data structures, and C++, Linux internals, and more brief about communication protocols, networking, socket programming, etc. For each module, they are covering different types of assignments, projects.
After coming to Emertxe, here I learned some programming languages. After that, I attend some mock interviews like C, in microcontrollers and Linux internals, and it is very helpful to face the real-time interviews. How they take it will be increase your confidence levels.
I passed out in 2024. After graduation, I joined Emertxe, where I have done multiple projects, and the number of projects I have done is total overall 8 projects. And also I have trained mostly on C, C++, data structures and Linux and embedded system MC. Here in Emertxe, mentors are very supportive and they helped me in every step, especially building for problem solving skills and interview preparation. And with this preparation, I attended confidently Maxlinear and selected. The difficulty I faced during the course is when doing problems and data structures, it is very difficult to me to do because it required more problem solving. So I went through mentors to get help from them. They given best help. With that, I have done good in data structures. One thing that I learned from this institute is staying consistency will get you a result which will carry throughout my life.
One thing I want to say to my upcoming batches, my juniors, sometimes life hits you very hard, but don't lose your confidence, because one day you will give more than what you received previously. And one thing I want to say is everything comes at you right time and right place.
Here, one thing I want to say my juniors, if you want get a job, definitely if you have consistency and patience, it is more useful to improve your skills and communication skills.
My suggestion to the new joiners is I will suggest you to build strong fundamentals in C, data structures and microcontrollers, and also be patient, practice well and work sincerely on project and make the best use guidance from the mentors. It will help you to succeed and last.